So nice and easy. Nothing crazy. Well, I'm ready. I think once he's filled up, we'll be ready. We'll be heading out. So you two are in the front. I guess we'll just do this. Getting ready to leave. DDFM Meetup 9918. So you two want to be in the back?
I want to be in the back.
Okay. You want to be in the back? Cool. So then we'll just kind of go in. You know, those two, these two. I think so. I'm just following him. It's 40 miles that we're gonna do, so not bad. You ready?
Hell yeah.
All right, so what we're gonna be doing is about a 41-mile ride. It's gonna take about an hour and a half-ish. The main ride is just gonna be nice and easy, nice and easy. There's a few sections that are gonna be a little crazy. You know, I got music playing. Let's just go ahead. There we go. We got Raynin behind me. We got Tony behind me in the car. So basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be following. We're gonna try to do stagger formation. We're gonna try to do stagger formation. And we're just gonna kind of relax and do some riding. We're gonna go up these hills and stuff. And we got night rain right here. I don't know, I'm just super excited. I just wanna enjoy the ride, to be quite honest. I don't wanna talk too much. I'm just enjoying the ride with some music. I think that's how you should enjoy it. You know, we got Johnny Ringo over here from the Discord, and he's part of the Sunriders. He's kind of keeping everybody safe. That's his job. That's his job. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna be putting music to this video and just relaxing, letting this thing run. Nice and easy. We got RoadWrangler up front. He's the one that came up with the route for us, so thank you so much, Harper. Appreciate it. We got Spiffy, Night Rain. We got people I don't remember his name. Shit, I feel bad. We got somebody from Phoenix, MG. Surprise, Phoenix. He rode all the way down here this morning. Guys, he got here like at 6:45-ish, 7 o'clock, and it's over 2 hours for him. So he left early. So thank you so much for joining. Look at Night Rain getting all comfortable on his bike. I'm trying to stay out of this guy's blind spot. Let them go ahead a little bit. And here we go. If you guys want to be a part of the rides this morning, if you want to be a part of the rides in the morning, we do it on Sundays. We might be changing the time from 6 a.m. to like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. just because it's getting darker and darker in the mornings and nicer and nicer during the days. Right now we're trying to leave the city on the west side of Tucson. We need to close this up a little bit. What's up, buddy? This is a nice, chill ride. This is great. It's been a long time coming to come out here and ride with a bunch of us. You guys like to join the crew, maybe do some of these things. We are in Southern Arizona, and if you live in Phoenix, I mean, like I said, we have somebody that came from Surprise this morning to come do the meetup. So I am ecstatic. I'm super excited that we got people outside of Tucson showing up. But I mean, it's great. It is great to have people here and to relax. Look, we got everybody here. We got a DDFM patron Spiffy with a magnet. We got everybody here. Nice, easy ride. So if you are a beginner rider, do not worry about it too much. Do not worry at all about being a part of a group ride. I think this is a few people's first time doing a group ride outside of 2 people. So we're doing a nice, easy one. This is, like I said, it's about 40 miles, nice and easy, like 1.5 hour ride through these mountains. It's gonna be beautiful. So hopefully I'm gonna let this stuff go the whole time, so that way you guys can see. And if I have anything to say, I'm gonna say it. But man, it's gonna be fun to edit this thing. On that note, we made it to where we're very safe. We got Johnny Ringo. He's part of a motorcycle group that actually does this. He does group rides and they make sure everybody's safe. So he's doing his thing. I'm letting him do his thing. So I've been a part of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, where he and his club and his group were making everybody safe. So I'm letting him do his thing. He can do whatever he wants. But everybody else here, we did a little talk real quick. You're like, we're not gonna do anything crazy, nothing crazy, guys. We're not gonna do wheelies and act like assholes. So we're gonna do a ride. If that's kind of the rides that you like to do, come on down to the next meetup. I post all the time in the Discord. On the road, we think we should be good. Take all the road you need, buddy. I'm giving you all the room. This is what I like about group rides that take care of each other, is that like on these turns, it's one thing to stay together in a staggered formation, but man, you really need to have the whole lane just in case something happens. So let's say Night Rain Tim over here, there's something in his lane, which is position 3. So you go 1, 2, 3. Let's say there's gravel and rock. If I'm like really up on his ass or on the side of him, he can't get out of the way. So I like to give plenty of room for braking, plenty of room for acceleration, plus turning out of dangerous positions. And to be honest, I want that to be a part of every ride, especially when we're out here, not in the city where we have to stay staggered, just, you know, because of lights and everything and stop signs and whatnot. But like out here where it's nice and easy, we know the route, we're going to be riding around having fun. I want people to be safe. So like I said, if you're new to this, you know, we're going to work hard to make sure everybody's, you know, having a good time and everyone walks home, rides home. So we're hitting up Gates Pass up here pretty soon. All right, so we got a hairpin coming up. Of course, we got trucks and stuff in the way, so they're gonna go real slow. You're okay. So after the Gates Pass part, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful ride. It's on the way to the Desert Museum. So if you've never been to the Desert Museum over here, you have to check it out. Here we go. Beautiful. This is Gates Pass, guys. I'm engine braking all the way down. I really like how his brake lights strobe. Pull over all the way, dude. That's a pull-in. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you for letting us pass, but man, pull over more. So we got Old Tucson, the historic Western Fun to the left, but we're going towards the Saguaro National Park and the Desert Museum. Woo-wee! Okay, watch out for gravel. This battery's gonna die before this thing even gets close. I love my E4K. Coyote. I just saw a coyote run across. Oh, that's a fun bike. So this is the Desert Museum. I think we're stopping here to take some pictures. Nice easy break. 30 minutes. I think he just wanted to come through here.